These are the heifers that are with the bulls. Obviously there's Ringo, and right behind him is Samson. These are all past a year old. The others are, I showed you in the short, are not quite a year old. They're fall born. These are either, there's a few of them that are fall born a year ago, so they're coming too, and the rest of them are spring born, so they're just past a year old. But we have bulls with them for another few days, not very much longer. We're nearing our 42 days of exposure, and then we'll pull the bulls, and then the little fall heifers can come back and be with them again. And we'll be back to our 60 plus herd again. There is some pretty good sized heifers in there, like that 06. You tell she's got some age on her. She'd be one of them that they actually could have a calf this fall, but they probably, most of them won't. They won't have a calf till they're 30 months old, because there'll be 2 in October, November. Natural Grandma and I were down there filming bald eagles. Well, there's Samson. Poked his head around over here. These are the bulls. These are the bulls that we use on heifers. They're part. Both of their mamas were Dennis McDonald born and raised cows, and Samson here is out of Roman 12:2, and Ringo is out of Triton himself. His mother was AI'd to the actual Triton bull. And Ringo's pretty interesting coming 4-year-old bull, because he's definitely a 2-frame score. He will probably never break 14 or 1500 pounds. You know, we might be able to use him again on heifers, but those smaller bulls, you can use them just a little bit longer. But definitely on some bigger framed heifers, he could be used on. But that's your grandma. Looks like I'll need to give them a little more grass in the morning. They've kind of got the top off the old fescue. We're definitely not trying to get into the end of fight on the fescue this time of year. We've got gobs of grass, so we're just removing the top and getting it to where it can grow fall grass. It's 1st September tomorrow, is that right?
Yes.
1st September tomorrow, so just resetting the grass, getting ready to build that fall stockpile that will take us so graciously through the winter. Well, that's our grandma. We just wish that you were having this great of a day. Don't forget to come and see us at the Ozark Homesteading Expo this Friday and Saturday, 5th and 6th of September in Marshfield, Missouri, with Joel Salton and Greg Judy. And of course, Natural Grandma and Papa Hank talking about pastured poultry and chicken tractors. We'll see you then.